Oh, she's big, hey? Flybe again, hey? Out of focus. You better hold that toilet for a while. You're right. Ah, there's the purple Flybe. Well, what a treat this was here. This is great. But you know, the only thing about it is the Aer Lingus ones took a long time to get rid of all their baggage. Because I mean, look how many planes has been in between him.
See more passengers.
Nah, everything's. So we'll not wait for him to come out again. But we'll watch this purple Flybe. It's a nice little look at the one here. Yeah. This must be from some special event. I'm trying to see the writing on the side here. There is extra writing on her.
Flybe, something like that below it. Flybe on the tail.
Faster than road and rail. It's just a different model of airplane. You see the mark on the back here, look, G whatever that is there. See, it's on where the two colours are. On the other planes, it's above the
that's
just the back there.
That's a serial number. So you have a number plate on it. That's what you have. Oh yeah. Aer Lingus ones all turn left. That's how you go right. Even in the later of them, he's turning the same way as Aer Lingus. The others all went left and come round to the right.
Oh no, he done that too.
Oh no, he's alright. I know, he's alright. He's going to turn
but do you know what
went to the left.
But do you know what I think it is? It's a wider turn maybe to the right with a bigger plane. So there seems to be a bigger patch out there to the right. She's a nice one, hey? Ground control to Major Tom. Here we go. Yeehaw! Oh, the loud noise, that's boy too.